Welcome to the Eco Tank, a place where ideas are being tested, challenged, and invested in. Today, a young entrepreneur claims to have not one but two environmental innovations. Let us see if they're worth invested in.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please have a seat.
Thanks for having me here.
You have 3 minutes. Convince me.
Imagine walking towards a dustbin and you throw a waste inside. Instead of simply disappearing, you get rewarded.
Rewarded for throwing garbage.
Not just throwing it correctly. This is my prototype and my first innovation, the Eco Loop. It is a smart waste segregating dustbin. User scan the QR code and throw the waste in the correct compartment. Then they earn green points which can be exchanged for rewards such as saplings, school benefits, or community incentives.
People know that they should recycle the waste, but why don't they do it?
Because awareness creates knowledge, but incentives create actions.
Interesting. What impact can EcoLoop create?
If implemented properly in schools, societies, or colleges, then every year thousands of kilograms of waste can be properly segregated, and it turns sustainability into a habit.
I like your idea, but environmental challenges do not stop at the waste. What else do you have?
I'm glad you asked. My second innovation is rain share.
And what's that?
Every year, enormous amount of rainwater overflow and go unused. While still there are some communities who faces water shortage. So I asked myself if rainwater could be shared.
Shared.
Yes, Rainshare is a platform which connects people who have surplus amount of rainwater with the ones who need it.
So instead of wasting water,
We redistribute it.
that's clever. But how it's different from traditional rainwater harvesting?
Traditional rainwater harvesting focuses on storage, while Rainshare focuses on sharing. So it transforms individual conservation into community conservation.
When you entered here, I expected some ideas. And now I see solution.
One tackles the waste, one tackles the water, and more tackle the future.
So, do I have a deal?
Yes, I will invest in both.
Thank you. But this investment needs something more valuable than money.
And what's that?
People.
The future of our planet cannot be built by the innovators alone.
It requires communities.
It requires action.
Every bottle recycled
Every drop of water is saved.
is an investment in our future.
The best time to save our planet was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Thank you.